Guys, it is 1 a.m. and ang lakas ng ulan. And I can't sleep, so let's make some Vietnamese iced coffee. So I'm using Vietnamese beans, and then I'm using this bean filter. And then, nalagay lang ako ng hot water dito. Tapos, hindi ginagamit ko for my iced coffee. So today, since meron naman na akong coffee dito na nagawa earlier, I'll be sharing with you how I make my iced coffee. So first, I'll just add condensed milk here. Well, para makuha. And then, ito yung lata niya. So, ito yung itsura niya. Kapag natanggal. And then, after that, we'll just add ice. Tuloy muna natin. Bago natin shake, shake, shake. So, ayan. Ito yung gusto kong kulay ng color. Ito yung gusto kong color ng coffee. Pwede kapag ganito yung kulay ng coffee nyo, perfect siya. Diba? Ito lang sa inyo para mag-ice coffee. Ayan, ito okay na yun. No, ito yung gusto kong color ng ice coffee. Ganun color. And then, yun ang match here. Ganun lang easy. Taste test. Ano natin? Ito sarap. Medyo matapang siya actually. So, wait lang natin siya mag-water na. But it's good na.